Each breath, each form, each turning tide moves with a purpose deep inside. The earth prepares the water's shape. The fire refines, the winds create. Every path that matter takes serves the soul that slowly wakes. When the work of nature ends and striving fades into its end, the inner self stands whole and clear. The reason life is gathered here. Remains that needs to bind. No restless pull within the mind. Creation bows and finds its place, and stillness filled with quiet grace. The qualities that shape the way fall gently into calm display. Movement softens, forms grow still, yielding to a higher will. What once compelled now steps aside, as truth no longer needs to hide. The journey reaches sacred ground, where nothing more is left to sound. When the work of nature ends and striving fades into self stands whole and clear. The reason life has gathered here. No force remains that needs to bind. No restless pull within the mind. Creation bows and finds its place, in stillness filled with quiet grace. Not escape, not loss or end, but purpose met and fully spent. The long design now stands complete, where form and truth in silence meet. The goal fulfilled, the path made whole. Nature returns what shaped the soul. In perfect rest the work is done. Spirit and source now